Welcome to this video entitled How to Use YouTube Ads Reviewing the Results. Now this video is all about drawing conclusions from the results of your YouTube ads campaign. When you follow your YouTube ad campaign to the very end, you need to be able to interpret your results in a meaningful way. In the meantime, be sure to watch this video to the very end where you'll be able to download a free PDF copy entitled Top 10 Tips for Beginners to YouTube Ads. Hi, my name's Jeff Laming for Video Cashflow, and in this video we're going to follow the test results of this YouTube ads campaign. It was run over 4 days, and interpret the results in such a way that you can determine your next step. So let's now head over to the computer, and whilst I make my way over there, be sure to read the following slide about to come up on your screen. Okay, now let's have a look at day 2. I've just gone into my Google AdWords campaign account, and you will see that I've had some more views, which is very encouraging. Now, I'm not surprised that the number of views for today has gone down slightly, because if you recall, yesterday I made few amendments to the settings, but even so, what this shows is that 391 views yesterday. So far today, 317 views, and the time is about 3:15 in the afternoon here in the UK. So the trend is as was yesterday, more views with a much higher view rate on the in-stream ad, and just barely touching 2% view rate, i.e. just under 100 views, albeit a lot more impressions for the in-display. So the other encouraging thing is that obviously the £10 a day, £5 a day, £10 over 2 days so far, and the average cost per view is £0.01 for the in-stream and 3 pennies for the in-display. So all very, very encouraging. So we'll come back and have a look at tomorrow's results, see what that looks like, see if there's any other trends that are formulating, and I'll catch up with you then. Okay, let's now have a look at day 3's results. Slightly trending downwards, but even so, we got another 292 views on the video ad, up to just under 1,000. And if we have a look down here, we can see that the trend is following the path of the last 2 days. In-stream ad impressions 2,000, views just under 800, a view rate of just under 39%, cost per view £0.01. And the ad showing up in video discovery, far more impressions at 5 times as much, only 205 views, hence the low view rate of less than 2%, and cost per view is 3 pence. So let's see what happens in day 4, and then we'll have a quick summary and decide on what steps to take next. So I'll see you very shortly. And now we've come to the last day of the test, and in total we've got 1,246 views. So over the 4 days, that equates to just over 300 a day. And remember, these views count towards the 10,000 view threshold, one of the parameters brought in by YouTube or Google to enable you to join the partner scheme, to join the AdSense scheme, if that's something that you're looking to do in your business. So let's take a closer look at these figures. This is day 4 of the campaign, the last day. So let's just open up the campaign there and get a better view of it. Just going to expand on this now, just so that you get bird's eye view. Here's the in-stream and the video discovery results. As you can see, the video discovery results are 7 or 8 times larger, more than the in-stream, but in total just under 20,000 impressions. Now the views are really interesting because the views are just under 1,000 for the in-stream, and that's a view rate of 40%, and that rate has gradually been increasing as the days went along. Average cost per view £0.01, and then in the video discovery, although this view rate is still very, very low, the trend has, I think from memory, been increasing. Average cost per view of 3 pence. All in all, that's a very interesting campaign, and what I'm going to do now is, obviously off screen, I'll go back and have a look at the results in more detail, and also more importantly see what happened with regard to the downloading of that product itself. Now I've already gone into my account, my Sarah Star account, and it doesn't look as though anyone's actually downloaded the product, so obviously I need to go back and find out exactly what's gone wrong there, tweak it, improve it, and then start another campaign until I get it exactly right. And then that will then give me the confidence to move ahead doing more YouTube ad campaigns. And once I'm happy with those, then I will roll it out as a service to offer to other businesses, other local businesses. So thanks ever so much for watching. If you'd like to make any comments or have any questions, please post in the comment section below the video, and good luck with your own YouTube ad testing and ad campaigns. Now I'm going to give you 3 recommended sites to go to when you set up a YouTube ads campaign. This information before you actually go ahead with that you'll find really useful. Also, the other reason why I'm suggesting that you do this is because YouTube, like Google, implement a number of changes to their processes, and when they do that, the screens change and it's very easy to get lost in everything and give up, which would be a shame. So the first one I'm going to recommend you have a look at is the YouTube creators. Again, I'll put the URL links on the screen and underneath in the description box of this video. But YouTube creators is at www.creatoracademy.youtube.com. So that's the first one. The next one is if you go into YouTube itself and go into the YouTube help facility and look up video advertising with AdWords, the setup and basics. It tells you how to create a TrueView video campaign, what you need to do before you begin, and then actually how to create a TrueView video campaign. Now this will be really useful to print out as you're going through and setting up your first video ad campaign. The layout of the screens and everything does change from time to time, so if you go to the help in YouTube, print this off, because this hopefully will have changed as well in line with any on-screen changes, and then it'll make it that much easier for you to follow the steps. And then the third one is getting to this stage here. Type into Google and enter YouTube advertising. Down here you'll see the YouTube advertising online video advertising campaigns. Just click on that and you'll come to this page here, which probably looks a bit familiar because if you recall, right at the very bottom is where you make your claim for the credits. There you go, your £100 free credit, or dollars as it may well be where you're residing, and a whole wealth of resources there. So just go through how it works, making a video ad, running a video ad, pricing, success stories, resources. All of this and the other 2 resources I've just gone through, really useful information to help you get familiar with the layouts and finding your way around before you actually pluck up the courage to actually go ahead with your first video ad, which I'm sure you will do. And again, good luck with first video ad campaign. I hope you found those steps useful. Now that the first YouTube ads test campaign has been completed and the results assessed, it's now time to move on to the next campaign. Once you've undertaken your first YouTube ads campaign, you might want to become your own best customer and run a campaign promoting your own business. Whatever you decide to do, I wish you all the best. And I'll go back to a comment I made on another video where I firmly believe that once you understand and implement YouTube ads to the point where you can generate some decent revenues, that you are on your way to taking control of your destiny. Here's a link for you to download your free copy of the top 10 tips for beginners to YouTube ads. I'll also put the link in the description box below this video. Thanks for watching. Look out for another video on video marketing and YouTube coming your way next week. Enjoy. Until next time, bye for now.